Hey guys, my name's Kirsten and I am a cookie connoisseur. I've baked over 50,000 cookies in my lifetime, so you know that I'm good at this. Today's topic, Snickerdoodles, the ultimate comfort cookie. Let's go over the ingredients that you'll need today. You'll need some flour, some granulated sugar, pure vanilla extract, although imitation will work as well, 2 eggs, some butter, I use unsalted, cinnamon, very important, baking soda, and of course, cream of tartar. First thing, let's get the oven ready by preheating it to 350 degrees. Start with our butter. You want your butter to be soft before you put it in your bowl. We're ready for the sugar. So I'm gonna measure out 1.5 cups of sugar, and to be honest, I eyeball it. And now we're ready to cream the butter and the sugar together. Now we're ready to add in our vanilla extract and our 2 eggs. Okay, let's mix it all together. In a separate bowl, now we're going to add our flour and the rest of our dry ingredients. So we're going to measure out 2 3/4 cups. Next, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And our final ingredient is cream of tartar. This one, we are going to make sure that we level off very carefully. Now we just mix all the dry ingredients together. And once all of that's incorporated, we are going to add this to our wet ingredients. But we're just gonna do it little by little. Now you can see we just about have our cookie dough. It's nice and thick. Now that our dough has come together, we'll put it in the fridge to chill for about 20 minutes. Next, we're going to make our cinnamon sugar that we roll the cookie dough in. So we'll start with 3 tablespoons of sugar and 3 teaspoons of cinnamon and stir that up well. Once your dough is chilled, we'll take that out of the fridge and we'll start forming our cookie dough balls. So I'll take a spoonful of cookie dough, I'm gonna roll it in my hands and get it nice and smooth, and then I'm going to roll it in my cinnamon sugar mix. Get it all nice and coated, and then we'll place that on an ungreased cookie sheet and tap it down ever so slightly with your hand. We'll pop that in the oven and we will bake these cookies for 10 minutes, not a second longer. After you take the cookies out of the oven, we'll put them onto the counter for about a minute to let them hold their shape before using a spatula to transfer them onto a cooling rack. And that's it! You're now ready to enjoy your delicious, comforting Snickerdoodle cookie.